Listen to the squeaking slash groaning noise from the suspension when I turn. Ready? Go. That is not because the tires are on the ground. Because the tires are not on the ground, they're actually suspended. The real problem is control arms. See right there? That's just completely blown. Sway bar links are also destroyed. Let me move the wheel on the other side so that I can see it better. In the meantime, I'll go on this side too. Control arms again, split. See how they're starting to come out. Same thing in here. Now, there we go. Sway bar links are destroyed, both sides. Also, this shock on the passenger side is leaking. There, you can see it. This side has a little bit of play, and it might be because of the control arm. This side shock is just starting to go. Again, I'm not surprised with this many miles on it. Look at those control arms. They're just destroyed.